guys, welcome back to Papers and Paints. So here I am sketching out the part of my waves which would be later helpful for my painting. Using clean brush and water, I'll wet my page and use yellow ochre to layer out my sand. In similar way, using cobalt blue and ultramarine blue, we'll paint the water. Once done, use cobalt blue and paint it like this. Now moving on to the next layer, paint it in the similar way. As you can see, I am leaving some white space for the foam that is created in water. To get rid of those harsh lines, use water to soften it up, just like this. And now we'll be using a third layer of paint. Just place the paints randomly. There is no definite shape or pattern for it. As you can see, it creates a sense of depth in the water. And that is just what we need. Now just define the shape of the wave with the same color. If your colors have merged, you can always use white to redefine the foam part of your painting. Using cobalt blue, enhance the color of the darker portions of your water. To work more quickly, now I'll be drying my painting with the help of a hairdryer. No painting of sand is complete with a little touch of brown, so that's what I'm going to do. And now it's time to create the foams. By just placing the paint at the corner and dragging it ahead would give you the effect you need to create the foam. Using the same brush, create these ripples in the water. You can also use the color directly from the tube. Now the foam looks much brighter than before. Now I'll add some brown along the line of the waves where it reaches the sand. Also, using some blue color, I'll give depth to the water. The waves look much more defined now. Moving ahead, use some water to lighten the brown shade so that it doesn't stay in one place but spreads up a bit, just like this. Our water looks a bit sad, so let's make it happy by adding in more colors and giving it some more depth and definition. Taking a toothbrush, I'll just spray some brown color over the sand. And we will repeat the same process with white color over the sea. You could just dab your brush like this to get this effect. I am using a white pen to make these small details over the sea. And we are finally done. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.